Good morning. Habang ako'y nagpapakain kay Maymay, may lumapit sa akin, si Kuya. Paralyzed yata kasi yung kamay niya, hindi niya magalaw sa kabila. Hingi daw siya ng pambiling pagkain. Sabi ko, Kuya, gusto mo pagkain? Bibilhan kita. Sabi niya, okay daw. Sabi ko, hintayin mo ko dito, babalikan kita. Kaya, umalis ako. Tapos, sabi ko, hintayin mo lang ako dyan, ha. Huwag kang aalis ka ako dyan.
I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play. The winner takes it all, the loser stands once more.
Nung bumalik ako, hindi ko siya makita. Wala siya dun sa pinag-usapan namin na pwesto. Tapos tinanong ko yung tricycle driver. Nandun pala sa simbahan. Pumasok, nagsimba. Ayun siya, oh. Lumabas na siya.
Loser standing small beside the victory. That's a destiny. I don't wanna talk about the things we've been through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards, and that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say, no more race to play.